Becoming successful on e-commerce business is quite challenging but not impossible. You can easily get success from your e-commerce business if you are really understand about your audience needs. If you have the demographic insight of your customer, then you can easily understand what type of customer are very important for you. Then you can easily run ads on them. It will actually help you to decrease your ad spend and increase your ROI. Voice is very important for every businessman to get successful, and for e-commerce it's must. But how will see the demographic view of your customer? Yes, you are right. You have to install Google Analytics to understand the demographic view of your website visitor. Accurate data is important for you because it will help you to get the more inside view of your audience. But how you will get it? It doesn't mean you make a plugin and connect GA4 and you will get all the information on that. As a conversion tracking expert, always I do suggest to my client to install Google Tag Manager and set up all the Google Analytics professionally, including all the variable that required Google Analytics. In my YouTube channel, I will help you to learn how to set up Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager for your Shopify web store, and it will be completely free. So if you are beginner, then stay tuned and don't forget to give subscribe. Hi, my name is Nasim and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork, and I have completed more than 290 plus project on there. If you need an expert consultant to verify your tracking system, definitely you can contact with me. I will give a link on this video description so you can book a meeting with me. Today basically I am going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to your Shopify website using Google Tag Manager. This will be the step-by-step video tutorial, so every day I will try to publish the step-by-step video. So if you don't want to miss anything, then please do subscribe and please watch till the end, because end of the video I'll show you how you can set up your Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager within one click and with professionally. So no more talks, let's get started. This is my Shopify website and here you can see some product are available on there, and I already connect Google Tag Manager code inside of this website. So if your website is not connected to Google Tag Manager yet, what you just need to do, just copy this code and paste inside of this website backend, and here is the quick instruction you can follow. This is not quite hard, and if you don't know how to do that, I already published many video about that, you can watch that. Okay, so my website is now connect to Google Tag Manager, and this website is this Google Tag Manager is you can see there is no tag available in there. So what we just need to do, we need to go on analytics and we need this measurement ID because we are going to connect Google Analytics to our website. Okay, so copy this measurement ID and go to Google Tag Manager and make a new tag. Okay, and copy Google Analytics and make sure we are gonna send the page view event for this video, so that's why we need to send the Google tag. Okay, so Google tag, it's mean we need to send the measurement ID here, and what we need to make inside of the event parameter. So you can see configuration parameter, you can send also the share parameter with this send. Okay, so configuration parameter we want to send page view event, and you can see with this green mark, and we gonna true. Okay, the value is true. Just make sure this is the only setup. We'll send the page view event to our Google Analytics for that store. Okay, so we can give a name like this, GA4 page view. Okay, so we just gonna remove this name and just make this format. Okay, save it, and now it's done. It's time to go to preview and open our website in the preview mode, and where you will be see, yes, this website is page view event is fired. And if we go on the report section and real-time pages, yes, this is one view to view on our website. Yes, you can see this website is sending page view event for this tag. So that's mean we have successfully connect page Google Analytics to our website and sending page view event from Google Tag Manager. You are still watching me? That's awesome. I really appreciate that. And I hope you are really want to learn Google Analytics. But don't worry, I have made something special for you. Let me show you. So welcome to my official store, where I already published a interesting product called GA4 e-commerce tracking for Shopify store. This is the complete solution for you if you want to install Google Analytics with professionally. Inside of this product, if you try with this product on time, you can learn Google how to set up Google Analytics. You can grow your business if you have your own Shopify store, and you can earn money with that. So how? Because it is fully resellable. You can buy it and you can resell it to your friend or someone who want to really interested to set up Google Analytics for their Shopify store from an expert. They don't need any expert from Upwork or Fiverr because they are so expensive sometimes. And inside of this product, you will get 100% done for you GTM template, and this will like this 11 e-commerce event, and this is step by step tutorial I will provide with that, and of course the data layer code, and of course with bonus, as a bonus I will provide this cover photo and the e-commerce marketing secret tips and tricks. And what you will get, so actually you will get a Notion template, this one, and here you will see a step by step process how you can install data layer, how to import GTM code, and of course you can see this is the data layer code installing. So this is the tutorial section and this is the installing section, and if you want you can do manually, and inside of this or everything I made it. So this kind of event you will learn how to make that, and of course this is the complete GTM tracking container that you will get. Just you need to install and you will get all the event within one click. So you don't need to make one by one, just import it. Okay, and that's all the event you will get with this setup. And as a bonus I will send you the cover photo, marketing idea, and of course one by one product and bonuses I am going to add inside of this product. So if you want to really learn Shopify e-commerce tracking system, is not only the tutorial or coaching program, but also it's 100% done for you product that you can resell it, and you can resell it even higher price. Okay, I just want to sell it, and I just want to keep this price little bit lower because it was 249 and now it's 169. So you can really try this product if you want to rel. And the important thing is you will get 90 days of my premium support. So you can contact with me if you have any issue. You can contact with me on WhatsApp. I will give you instant support with that. So that's why it's very special and it's worth it. You can, if you really want, you can buy this product. That's all I wanted to show you from this video. So guys, if you really found this video was useful to you, then don't forget to give thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribe to my channel. And if you need a expert consultant to verify your tracking system, you can definitely contact me. So my name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.